Welcome to Africa is Home TV. Today we are going to talk about money saving tips, and we will look at the 8 simple ways to save money. So sometimes the hardest thing about saving money is just getting started. This step-by-step guide for how to save money can help you develop simple and realistic strategy so you can save for all your short and long-term saving goals. I'll start by looking at the first step, which is to record your expenses. The first step to start saving money is to figure out how much you spend. Keep track of all your expenses. That means every coffee, transport, household items, and utilities. Once you have your data, organize the number of categories such as travel, entertainment, utilities, etc., and total each amount. Use your credit card or bank statement to make sure that the data that you're using is accurate. My advice at this point is to look for a free spending tracker to help you get started. Choose a digital program or app that can help automate some of this work. So, for example, when you look at the M-Pesa statement, M-Pesa app has some items that can help you to see the expenses. Number